Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with ABmom. Today we are going to talk about the most confusing things for non-native English speakers, including me. Phrasal verb. As you all know, phrasal verb are everywhere in English. I mean to say in our daily conversation. That's why it's so important to know how to use them correctly. In this video, we are going to go over some common phrasal verb which we can use it in a real conversation between two friends. Yes, you are going to see a real conversation, a real English dialogue. You need to observe the word used in this conversation. Listen carefully and don't worry if you don't understand in the first time. I'll explain everything in detail. So let us start. Hey, have you heard from Sarah lately? Yeah, she reached out to me on social media last week. Really? I thought you two have fallen out. Yes, but we made up. That's great to hear. How did you guys patch things up? We just talked it out and cleared the air. It was good to get everything off our chest. Yeah, that's definitely the best way to handle things. So, are you back to being friends now? Yeah, we are cool now. We even hung out last weekend and went to a party. That's awesome. I'm glad you guys were able to work things out. Thanks. Me too. It feels so good to have things back to normal between us. So let me explain. Phrase 1. To reach out. To reach out, it means to call someone through message or WhatsApp or a call. Like in the dialogue, she reached out to me on social media last week. So reach out to someone. And we can say thank you for reaching out to me. Phrasal verb number 2. To fall out with. To fall out. To fall out means to have a disagreement with someone or argument in a relationship that causes a lot of problems. I also feel hurt when I fall out with my best friend. Phrasal verb number 3. This one is more positive. Is to make up. Is to become friend again after an argument. I love that feelings when I make up after an argument with my friend. Phrasal verb number 4. To patch up. To patch up is to deal with a problem in order to improve the relationship. For example, how did you guys patch things up? In this means what did you do to make everything come back into normal? Number 5. To talk it out. When you talk out means you have a conversation, and the goal of this conversation is to improve a relationship through the communication. So I'm saying my feeling. I'm feeling sad, I'm feeling upset, or maybe I was feeling angry at that moment. So I'm talking it out. And in this way, we have a conversation, we talk it out, we bring out what is there and what was there in our heart. Next phrasal verb is to get off the chest. You can feel how I said to get off the chest. That means to share out things which is there in your chest and bring it out. Share it with your best friend. And what was making you feeling guilty that it came out from your chest? You shared out. And then you say, I said it finally. Phrasal verb number 7 is to hang out. That means to meet, to spend some time with someone. In a casual and in a relaxed mood, I hang out with my best friend. And what about you? Do you like to hang out with your best friend or besties? And the final phrasal verb is to work out. According to this conversation, is to find a solution. Like in the conversation, what did she said? Basically, she said she was glad that they found a solution. This is all when it comes into friendly phrasal verb. But here it is a partner phrasal verb that clear the air. What do you think? What does it mean? You can write it in the comment box. Guys, I'll help you in this. Clear the air is to discover a solution to clear the atmosphere all around you. In order to improve our relationship, we have to clear the air. Like in this conversation where they had a talk out and they had dialogues, and after that they found the solution and later they cleared the air. So guys, as you all know, understanding a phrasal verb that will help you in speaking correctly and confidently English. It also can be very challenging if you don't know how to speak and using the phrasal verb in a correctly way during your conversation. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And remember, the more you practice, the better you become. So if you find this video was very useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your dear and lovely friends. And I use only teaching method just to help you and to make you grow and be more confident. Love and peace to all. It was a pleasure and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.